We have here the Two of Earth energy. So I do pick up right here that you're prioritizing here something. And it looks like with the presence of the child, I do see that this is you. You are creating here beautiful changes, no? Maraming butterflies sa paligid ng child rito. And it looks like you're creating here many changes. Maybe there's a specific situation that you're facing right now, but this is you. You're playing this the right way. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ginagawa mo. And this is you. You could be starting here something with a child. Okay? I do see na parang ito ay simula or new beginning right here. Pero tingnan mo yung pagtawid mo dyan, no? Punong-puno ka lang rito ng kampante na hindi ka dyan mahuhulog or whatever, no? So, ibig sabihin, you're playing it the right way, you're doing the right thing. Meron ka ritong sinusubukang mga pagbabago or may mga pagbabago nangyayari rito pero sinasabayan mo, you're dancing, no? Dito sa rhythm ng situation na ito. Yan. Keep it up. Could be dealing here with someone with the Knight of Water energy, someone who is romantic, someone, okay, that steer your emotions and feelings, no? But at the same time, this person could be someone here undergoing some kind of an emotional situation. Okay, there could be drama involved right here, or maybe this person here could be, facing emotional situations right now. Maybe your person is dealing with sadness or dealing with personal issues. Yan. But you're in love. Let's see. Okay. Oh, right at the heart of this reading is this two of water energy or the two of cups being shared with two people who are in love. Okay. Okay. Wheel of Fortune right at the bottom of this reading. So before we start talking more about this, let me just greet everybody. So hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support that you're giving me. So we do not have any gender and of course this is timeless as well. Pwedeng tapos na or nangyari na. Pwede naman sa iba nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwede naman sa iba ay hindi pa at isang prediction sa kanilang future. So, dito nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na kung sino man tong energy, by the way, wala tayong gender ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, okay, and at the end of the day, always have your free will. So, I do see that this is you. You are in a new connection. Nasa loob ka na ng isang bagong relationship together with this person here na pangarap mong maging kayo at kayo na nga ngayon. Yan. So, kung ikaw to na single ngayon, no, at ikaw to na may pinapangarap kang guy or woman, no, na talagang gustong-gusto mo siya, no, sana magkaroon ka ng relationship in the future, then, if this is your reading and you feel connected, no, dito sa ating reading, then, this could be your message. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that you are already in this beautiful connection with this person here. However, even though you are in this type of beautiful connection here with your person, I do see na parang nakikita mo ngayon na marami ka pang kailangan na na tutukan, ayusin, 'no, dito sa type of relationship. Doesn't have to be na magulo 'tong relationship, ha. It's just that you know that your person here needs a lot of support coming from you. Why? Because with the Five of Earth energy and there's the Six of Earth, I do see that this person here needs to come out from his or her own ego or from his or her own blockages at posibleng mga insecurities niya sa kanyang buhay or sa kanyang sarili, no? Alam mo na kailangan pa rito that there are a lot of work to be done, no? There are a lot of work here to be done, and this is you. You are this person's person now. Ikaw ngayon yung nasa tabi niya, ikaw ngayon yung tao rito na hindi lang nagmamalasakit kundi nagmamahal din sa kanya. And you know that with the Seven of Pentacles energy, you know na kailangan rito ng person mo ng suporta. So this is you, you will do everything at hindi naman iba itong tao na to sa inyo. So kahit na may mga pagsubok na kailangang harapin sa sitwasyon at dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo rito, no, nakita ko na may kakayanan ka rito na tulungan ng person mo, no? Lalo na ikaw yung nakikita ko rito mas strong kaysa sa kanya. Kasi ngayon, maaari may kinakaharap siya dito mga bagay or personal na mga issues sa buhay niya at marami siya rito insecurities. Yeah, kailangan niya talaga rito ng partner. Hindi yung energy na hindi siya makikipagtulungan sa'yo, no? But it's just that, you know that your person here is marami siya rito mga kinahaharap na mga challenges at problema. At alam mo, na kailangan ka niya, no? Kailangan niya ng someone like you sa kanyang tabi para malampasan yan. So your person could be at his or her weakest points right now, but you are someone here who will be able to give this person here strength to move forward, to keep on fighting, no? These challenges away. So nakita ko dito that you are someone here very determined to show your loving support to your person. Your person here, ayaw ka naman niyang i-drag down into this type of mga problema niya, pero sa'yo siya kumukuha ng lakas. Sa commitment ninyo, sa partnership ninyong dalawa. And I'm picking up that with those lots of trees in the background, nakita mo ba yan? Yung mga greenery na mga leaves na yan. Nakita ko dito na itong inyong connection, no, has this potential to go the distance. Malayo at malalim ang magiging masamahan ninyo ng bagong kakonect mo. And you are already in a relationship with this person that you dream of. Yung iba matagal ninyo na pinangarap na yung tao na yan, no, is maka-relationship ninyo, pangarap niyo siya, na makasama rito, mapakasalan, yan. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. And I do see that there's really a strong partnership here coming up for the future here sa inyong dalawa, between you guys. And I do see that you will bring a lot of positive vibes into this person's life. And I'm seeing yun na hindi mo siya susukuan dito, no? Kahit na marami siya ditong insecurity sa kanyang self, you will still bring out the best out of this person. You will help him or her grow more. And you will help him or her na makalabas sa kanyang ego. Yeah, ikaw ang magpapalaya sa kanya rito no, sa mga bagay na naghaharang or nagiging harang upang tuluyan siyang maging mas masaya sa kanyang life. So you are a big help with the star right here for this person of yours. And this is not just a love and commitment. This is also partnership, okay? In surpassing all of the challenges in life. At nakikita ko dito that your person here also someone na susuporta rin sa'yo kapag dumaan ka rin sa mga pagsubok ng iyong buhay. At nakikita ko dito that you are here even though na maging maalon pa ang sitwasyon sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, you will still give to this person. You will still show your passion, your love, your emotions. You want to help this person here dahil hindi naman siya iba sa'yo. Siya yung partner mo ngayon at hindi mo siya susukuan kahit na alam mong maraming kailangan na gawin or asikasuhin or tutukan dito sa inyong connection, no? You know that type of connection here nun sa umpisa, 'di ba? Ganyan naman talaga. Kailangan mo mag-adjust, may mga bagay na matutuklasan ka, matututunan mo with your person. Hindi naman palaging happy, no? Hindi naman palaging um, nagiging in favor yung mga situation here for you guys, but you are mature enough to know that, okay? Na there are also times na kailangan ninyo nakaharapin yung mga challenges in life, okay? For your relationship na mas maging stronger, 'di ba? So nakita ko dito that you are aware of that and you will not leave your person's side, okay? Like it will never happen. This is you will be with this person here hanggang sa malampasan niya lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan niya dito sa life. At dahil dyan, nakikita ko dito yung strong partnership sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. And your angels and guides are also here with you with the wheel of fortune. You know, tutulungan ka nila sa pagbabago na yan. No, they are also at work together with you. They also want progress and improvement, change. Yeah. In this relationship, this is the type of relationship na mas malalaman ng person mo na ang swerte-swerte niya sa'yo. Kasi ikaw yung klase ng energy na nananatili sa tabi niya, no? Kahit hindi masaya or hindi in favor yung situation here. Okay? At malalaman niya rito na mas magsistay ka sa tabi niya, no? Kapag meron siyang pinagdadaanan na problema. Kumbaga malalaman niya rito na hindi mo siya iiwanan, no? Lalo na kapagka meron ditong problema na kinakaharap siya. So you are willing to invest here your life with this person. You are willing to take all the risk para lang makalabas siya rito sa mga pinagdadaanan niya. And I think you are someone here na talagang perfect match niya. Kasi hindi mo siya rito bibitiwan at hahayaang harapin ang mga pagsubok na ito ng mag-isa. After all, this is the person here na pinangarap mo makasama. At dahil sa pangarap na yan, alam mo na may mga kaakibat yung mga tests or mga obstacles, pero hindi ka susuko dyan. Okay? Kasi alam mo na in life, marami talagang mga bagay na nakaka-surprise. Okay? With this Five of Earth energy, there's this true partnership right here, Six of Wands. I do see na magtatagumpay ka na mailabas ang person mo sa mga insecurities niya. You will, okay? Make this person realize na hindi niya kailangan maging insecure. Okay? You will make this person here na maging mas confident sa sarili niya. You will instill that self-esteem. You will boost this person's confidence like hindi kayang gawin yun ng ibang person. Okay? But you are someone here who can make it happen for this person because you love this person here so much. Yung iba sa inyo, you know that when you love someone, you need to take risk. At yun nga yung pinangako mo sa sarili mo. Gagawin mo yung lahat basta ibigay lang sa'yo rito ni universe ang taong pinakahihiling mo. And time definitely came at yung iba paparating pa lang ito, tinupad ni universe ang kahilingan mo. And now, okay, you are just fulfilling kung ano yung alam mo na, kumbaga parang iti-take responsibility mo yung wish mo. Okay, I will be with this person through his or her ups and downs, yung mga sad moments, mga disappointment moments ng person mo, you will be there. You make sure na you will be there. Okay? At pinapatunayan mo kay universe dito, no? Na totoo ka sa pangako mo kung kaya't ibinigay nila sa'yo ang taong ito dahil bukal sa loob mo ang sinasabi mo at may katotohanan. Kaya naman, pinagsisendan ka nila rito ng backup ang mga angels at ang mga guides ninyo rito together with your ancestors for others of you, okay, ay ang mga backup ninyo to make this relationship grow or bloom beautifully. So, nakita ko dito that this is just the beginning of that happy life because yung mga susunod na mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan ninyo ay mas malalampasan nyo pa together. At meron kayo dito mga cupids na magpapatuloy na mag-instill ng mga love arrows para mas mahalin ninyo ang isa't isa. Ang pag-ibig mo ang maglalabas sa taong ito sa lahat ng mga bagay na pumipigil sa kanya upang tuluyang maging hindi masaya. So, nakita ko rito mga babes na itong person na to no, ay makakahanap rito ng napaka-peaceful, napaka-satisfying, no, na love and commitment with you. And I'm seeing you growing old together, fulfilling each other's dreams, at pag ready na kayo, ready na rin ritong dagdagan ang inyong bilang. So, ibig sabihin, no, bibigyan at bibiyayaan kayo rito ng supling at anak, no, and that's for those people right here na posibleng wala pa kayong babies. This person is siya yung magiging ama at ina ng inyong family. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that this person here will surely be a family here with you guys. And for my LGBTQ people out there, you know, of course, mga sweethearts, na nakita ko rito that this person will be your family, your home, okay, for eternity. So, nakita ko, no, that this person will stay by your side and this person will make sure that you are always okay and that hindi kanya rito iiwan at pababayaan, lalo na kung may kakaharapin kang mga problema in life, okay? So, nakita ko na napakaswerte nitong tao na to sa inyo at gayon din naman siya sa inyo. At nakikita ko rito mga babes na marami pa kayo rito na pagdadanasin na mga magagandang mga moments kasi ngayon pa lang pinapakitaan nyo na si universe rito ng mga amazing na mga actions ninyo to support your person. And the universe, no, is natutuwa sila rito dahil tama yung desisyon nila na ibinigay nila itong tao na to sa inyo dahil hindi nyo sila rito binigo. Talagang tinupad ninyo ang inyong pangako na susuportahan ninyo ang taong ito basta ibigay lamang nila ito sa inyo. At ngayon nga tinupad na nila ang kanilang pangako, tinutupad mo naman ang iyong pangako na susuportahan at mamahalin mo ang iyong person mo hanggang sa dulo, no? Taray! So, nakikita ko rito. Yung iba siguro mga babes, nakikita ko rito na posibleng nakilala nyo siya malapit sa simbahan or sa simbahan mismo. Or maaaring siya ay may ginagawang gawaing simbahan, no? Ano man yung relihiyon niya. So, maaaring siya ay parte ng choir. Maaaring parte siya rito ng sakristan, mga ganyan, no? Or maaaring kabilang siya sa legion, no? Or whatever the case may be, ano man yung relihiyon ninyo, yan o maaaring nakilala mo siya or nakadaupang palad mo near the church. Yan. So, nakita ko dito that there is something here specific, okay? At maalala ninyo na ang pagtatagpo ninyo, unang pagtatagpo ninyo ay nakita ko rito na hindi nyo siya maaalis sa inyong isipan. So, yung iba sa inyo, posibleng natagpuan nyo ng isa't isa pero hindi pa nagkakaroon rito ng connection, no? Pero yung iba, getting to know na kayo. At yung iba, surely, nasa isang bagong connection na kayo with this person na pinapangarap ninyo. Wow! Luck is on your side, no? Especially when it comes to your love life. Keep on investing with this person here, no? Kasi nakita ko rito na yung mga susunod na mga magiging kaganapan rito after nyong malampasan ang mga pagsubok na to na isunod-sunod na magiging masaya at in favor ang mga situations for you, lovey dubbies. So yeah, thank you so much. Muli ako po si Yan, Sarang Love and Light. Annyeong!